Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about the question answers and other exercise questions of chapter 3 of class 6th geography. The name of chapter is water bodies. In this video you can watch the fill up questions and other questions which is given at the back side of your textbook. And some questions are also added with that. So let's start the video. Fill in the blanks. They are 5 in number. So let's start the fill up questions. The dash is called the watery planet, the Earth. The Arctic Ocean lies around the North Pole. A dash is a small water body that is bounded by water on all sides. Answer lake. Main rivers create a triangular shaped land at their mouth which are called delta. Challenger Deep is the deepest point of the Pacific Ocean. So these are the questions which is given in your textbook. You can write it in your textbook. Now true or false. The earth consists of 71% water. It is true. Maldives is located in the Pacific Ocean. It's false. Arctic Ocean remains covered with ice. True. The deepest lake in the world is Lake Titicaca in South America. It's false. The place from where a river originates is called its mouth. It's called its source, so it's false. Now we'll move to the next part, that is short answer questions. First question, name the 4 realms of the earth. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Next question, name the major oceans of the earth. Oceans are 5 in number. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. So this from here, that is from the short answers, you have to write in your copy. Question number 3. Name the Great Lakes of USA. They are Lake Superior, Lake Ontario, Lake Erie, Lake Michigan and Lake Huron. Question number 4. Name an ocean which is named after a country. Indian Ocean is named after a country, India. Now let's move to the next part, that is question number 5. Which is the second largest ocean in the world? Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. Name the rivers that drain to Atlantic Ocean. The rivers are River Nile, Orinoco, Colorado, Amazon, Congo, Niger, Mississippi, etc. Some rivers that drain to Atlantic Ocean. Question number 7. Seawater is not fit for drinking. Why? The seawater contains a great concentration of salt and minerals in it. Therefore, it is not fit for drinking. So here we finished our short answer questions and now we'll start the long answer question or answer the following in detail. Here most of the answers are of 3 points because question answers will be asked for 3 marks. It's a 3-mark question, so 3 points are given. If 4 points are given, according to the answer you can reduce it to 3. So let's start the detailed answer. Question number 1. Define the term water body. Mention any 3 features of the water bodies. Answer. A water body is any significant accumulation of water on the surface of the earth. So that is the definition of water body. Now the features. Features are given, 3 points are given. If question is asked only a feature, you can write this 3 points, and if it comes along with the term water body, you can write define water body and mention 3 features. Usually it will be asked only 2 features because answer questions will be of 3 marks. So if it is asked to write 2 features, you can write only 2. Its main features are it accounts for about 71% of the earth. There is a continuous interchange of water between the ocean, atmosphere, and land. Water always maintains its level. So this is the answer of first question. Question number 2, state the characteristics of Indian Ocean. 4 points are given, write 3. Any 3 if it is asked for the exam. It is the third largest ocean in the world. It has thousands of small islands like Maldives and Cocoa Island. It has some volcanic islands like Mauritius Island. The deepest point is the Sunda Deep in the Java Trench. So you have to read like this. It's Sunda Deep in the Java Trench of the Java Trench. Now question number 3. What are the two types of seas? Explain with example. The two types of seas are marginal sea and inland sea. They are generally the division of oceans enclosed by islands, peninsulas, or submarine ridges on the seafloor. Some of the marginal seas are Bering Sea, Caribbean Sea, Arabian Sea, Red Sea, and North Sea. Inland seas are large lakes in continental areas are often termed as inland sea. It is not island sea, it is inland because of their salty water and vastness. Some examples are Aral Sea, Black Sea, Caspian Sea, and Dead Sea. So this is answer number 3. Now we will move to the next question, question number 4. You write 3 characteristics of rivers. They are flowing across the surface of the earth in a channel and usually end at seas, oceans, and lakes. They are dynamic in nature. Their flow and amount of water often changes. Many rivers create triangular shaped land at their mouth called a delta. So these are the 3 points of characteristics of a river. Next question, write any 4 characteristics of lakes. Lakes are larger than pond. Lakes are fed by rivers or stream. Natural lakes are found in mountains, rift valleys, etc. Some of the lakes are artificial, constructed for irrigation and hydroelectricity power generation. So these are the characteristics of rivers and lakes. Now the next question. How do rivers get polluted? Write down the measures to be taken to prevent pollution. Answer: urbanization, use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides in agriculture, discharge of industrial waste into the river and sea. Write down the measures to be taken to prevent the pollution. In order to prevent water pollution, rivers, reservoirs, and watersheds should be protected from environmental degradation. Now, we'll see a difference between lakes and rivers. Lakes, they are small water bodies that are bound by land on all sides. Rivers, they are streams of water that originate from a highland and flows continuously and finally reach into a lake or sea or ocean. Lake, they are the depression on the land surface where water accumulates, so they don't form any floodplains or delta. Rivers, they flow continuously and form floodplains and deltas. Now we'll move to the next one, that is ocean and sea. They are large water bodies on earth. Oceans are large water bodies on earth. Sea, they are smaller water bodies in size than ocean. Oceans are 5 in number. For example, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, etc. Seas, they are more in number. Arabian Sea, Red Sea, Caspian Sea, all these are the example. So you can write any 2 example of sea and ocean. So that is all about the notes. You can write long answers and short answers in your copy. So write it neatly, legibly and read the textbook. Thank you.